Alright guys, we are back and we're watching a pretty high kill game today from this guy. And is that art? Wait, that's not art. Probably not. Is he? But yeah, he dropped 34 kills. I am not sure if he's a pro that changed his name, because I've never read this name before. But yeah, it dropped a bomb. Dropped a lot of kills. We gotta stay there. Wow, nice shot. Worst shotgun in the history of Fortnite, 28. Okay. The first kill, I don't know if that arc. I doubt it because it's NA. I don't think Havoc really get people from NA. But maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna talk too much, guys. But yeah, if you have questions, ask in the comments. It's gonna be on YouTube. Yeah, I'm curious to see this guy. I feel like he's gonna be very PC, which is always nice to see. He's getting some mods, that's fair. There's a guy over here that didn't. Okay, one. Wait, I can't see the damage though. Wait, I could see the damage before though. More crashes. I mean, I could use one and. But that guy definitely has some visual effect, right? Did that guy just land also? Ah yeah, I can see the damage on this. I don't know again. Wait. How did he add it from there? Okay. 160. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't want to be that guy, but it's a bit sus. Because how did he know there was people on the side there? And how did he know there was a guy here as well? Because he turned through. He turns towards this guy earlier. Okay, it didn't. Okay, okay. Better, better. I feel better about that because. Show us something insane, bro. Come on. Just clip that guy. Clip that guy. Come on. Okay, okay. Not sus at all anymore. Honestly, it's doing the classic things, to be honest with you. Double edits. Just predicting where the guy is gonna go out from. That's a nice. That was a really nice floor. The problem is the guy went through it. And now there is another guy as well. But it does get to 100 again, because... Okay, that guy was just... not real. Does he carry AR pump or does he carry double pump? Because that double pump is very meta, but... I would say Stinger though, like AR pump, I don't know. This guy's not bad though. Good to see it. Probably gonna get some clips, hopefully. That was close, that was really close. I mean, at this point he's gonna get the gold. Yeah. Gold XR. Also, I think it's 10 days, no? 8 days? No, 10 days. I'll get new season. Not a new chapter, but a new season. There's some splashes on the floor. I don't know if you saw them. Does he have simple edit, this guy? I don't know, I have a feeling he has simple edit. Oh, there's another guy. There's a guy. Oh, I don't know. Is he simple edit? Another guy. What? Okay, I didn't hear this guy at all. Where did this guy come from? Nice shot. However, that guy could have killed him if he was decent, because he had the edit on him. I don't know if he's simple edit. I really don't know. Yeah, it looks. Because earlier he edited a cone that wasn't even next to him. Could it be? Maybe not. Probably not, right? Ernesto died to Storm. I feel like it's the first zone moving. No, first Storm, sorry. Circle, and the guy died to maybe it was fighting though. Got to 1 HP, 1 take, dead. Possible, yeah. Train is still a thing ish. There is some loot in it, yeah, for sure. Gold OXR is insane, yes, but I wouldn't expect a guy that. Oh, Pink is in the game as well. A guy that dropped 34 is carrying OXR. I would expect either double pump or a stinger pump. 34 kill is crazy. 28 more, right? Yeah, 28 more kills. Right, we have a next victim. Sorry, guys. I don't know, man. I don't know. That obviously. Okay, now we're talking. Okay. Oh no. See, like, I don't know. No, I'm not saying it's bad. That guy could have put a ramp in his box, but I'm not saying he's bad. Obviously, he's really good. 34 kill in a solo cash cup is obviously insane, but the edits, I don't know, it feels like different than normal. Oh, Pink is there. Like, it feels like it's. Oh, does he clip Pink? Need to help him. Holy, 150. It's a nice shot, bro. That's a really nice shot. The first shot was insane. Yeah, I go with Stinger for sure. He does that a lot for the ramp on his head. Yeah, his aim is pretty good, yeah, for sure. Shotgun aim is pretty crazy. His edits don't convince me. I feel like he's actually a simple editor. Is it? People are gonna call me crazy, I know. Alright, clip this guy, come on. Oh, unlucky. Look at this guy's hiding, bro. Insane. Okay, like, seriously. I'm not gonna lie, I love to watch IQ games replays because I love to watch. Honestly, I discovered so many more players that are really good. Beside that, I see so many people hiding in some weird spots. It's crazy. There's so many people that play for placement. Like, who was it? Like 5th place in the leaderboard this week. It was a placement warrior, but also like this placement warrior, they are like, if they are pros or semi-pros or like tier 2, tier 3, if they get pushed, they're gonna win most of those fights, you know. I feel like it's a good way to play as well, if you really want to go, right? But I'm sure like these pros can just drop a decent bomb every time they... Like, this is a bit sus. Oh, he didn't hit. Okay, no. Wait, how did he not hit? I swear it was on him. That guy, I'm not gonna lie, he stayed. No, he didn't move. He didn't move. GG. The guy's gonna get second. I'm telling you. Yeah, he's quick with it. But see, how did he miss that edit so many times? Oh my god. 20 HP. Thing is, he just... Yeah, it's looking really bad, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna... I'm pretty sure it's gonna get a pre-fire. It's gonna hit a pre-fire. That's the only way. That's the only way. See? 150. He didn't have a bullet, otherwise he would have killed him already. 150. Yeah, I was gonna tell you that. It's pre-fire, it's gonna... How did you know that? I'm so good. I'm so good. He gets 23 more kills. 23. Absolutely insane. Oh, that guy's gonna get discovered now. Oh, they're fighting. Unlucky Koski. Hey, Koski hit that guy so hard. And he got the kill stolen too. .180. This guy hits just insane shotgun shots. I've not seen a pump hitting for less than, yeah, 120 maybe? More, right? It's more coming that way, yeah. Oh, maybe it's going for the loot on top, yeah, it probably is. Not that it needs anything, but might as well. He saw him. Next victim, yeah, he's falling on his head. Yeah, okay. That's the lowest. Oh, he sold the clip. He sold the clip. One thing I would say for this guy to improve even more is just like he has to reload his guns, right? Yeah, that's probably the second time that he has a kill but he doesn't have shotgun shots. I'm obviously 20 times worse than this guy, of course, but like, I'm seeing that 140. I'm telling you, I've not seen a shot that hits less than 120, 130. Good pot though, honestly. Nice. See, but that's his go-to. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Obviously, it's playing very safe, but like, he's trying to get double edits on top. Get stop, double edit, full box, kill. Yeah, but with the shotgun aim he has, it's definitely gonna be a very good tactic. You Peterbot coming soon. Kill, well, pretty full damage. A few more people around. He does get 18 more kills by the way. Yeah, he gets 18 more kills. I swear Utopia City is the place where most people hide in buildings, right? It has to be. EU Peterbot? Okay, if you are EU Peterbot, you'll be king. Not gonna lie. Wow, free fire though, and then he... To be honest, the EU Peterbot could have killed him if he didn't choke the second shot. He hit the first shot, the third shot, but if he didn't choke the second one, he would have killed it. Oh, slurp. Why didn't he pop it? Weird. There's a guy on top of them. Yeah, man. That guy deserved to be killed. What's he doing? Like, you do all that just to just die in that? For real? I mean, was he not looking through the cone? Did you not see him coming? Like, what? Okay, this next. Nice shot, 90 from that far. It's pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie, this guy had double pump, he'll get even more kills. His shotgun aim is just crazy. Like, his shotgun aim is insane. I mean, it's hip fire, it's not that easy to hit that, but shotgun aim is actually really crazy. That guy's still shooting. It's gonna get shotgun by the same guy, don't worry. I hope somebody in my comment tells me who this guy is, because I'm pretty sure it's simple edit. Wow, I got full box. Nope, actually no. Was that 182? I mean, you couldn't even see the head, like what? I deserve to push this guy. He's Mr. Clutch. Names are crazy too, man. Some names are actually crazy. 189. Well, like, how does he hit just max? I'd love to know what it is, but I do not know. 125 is fine. I mean, it's fine. Obviously, it was close, but like, it doesn't hit less than that. I wonder why it doesn't carry double pump then. Imagine this guy with double pump just double tapping literally anybody. Yeah, but even if you get boxed, they need to edit to kill him, and then when they edit, it just double pump them. He's definitely out aiming most people, this guy. Yeah, I mean, he's king, but even for king, double pump is pretty. It's pretty classy. He gets 50 more kills, 155 by the way, just in case you guys thought I was lying. It's definitely harder to take walls with the double pump though, so maybe that's why I want the spray weapon. There's no way they're stealing that kill too. pump that guy though. Because it would have been fun if it pickaxed him. Who is this guy? I have no clue. Also, I don't know when final is. Ah, definitely cool for it, yeah, of course. Definitely cool for it. $150 something again. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna check on Fortnite tracker these guys though. Should be able to find out. Just in case he changed his name or if he has earnings. Just one pump that guy too. Let's go. Why not? This guy got 7th. That's 0 earnings. It's in the come up. Yeah, I think it's cool to solo series too. There you go, very good placements. It must be a new player, but I don't know if he's controller. I think it's simple edit though. 0 earning. If equal to solo final 180. I mean I don't know, bro. This wait, what is almost selling? What was he looking? Where was he looking? I mean, in finals it's gonna be harder, no? So don't think it's gonna get these many kills, and it definitely can improve. But its aim is just absolutely crazy. His max are not. Wow, okay. I mean, the AR is crazy though too. I thought it was the last. Oh, no, it wasn't. Nice, 34. New GOAT in EU. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.